Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. I hope it's far warmer than it is right here. I am so freaking cold, but we are Jack's Hill. I'm going to spin around, the sun's going to get in your eyes, but bear with me. There is a ton of cars here. I've been scrutineered, I've got my in-car setup all sorted. I'm going to be mic'd up, so I'm going to try and give you a blow-by-blow account of how the track is, what we're doing, what I'm doing. If I fuck up, you'll see firsthand. So yeah, it's going to be just a track day video. If this doesn't interest you, just skip along. Maybe head back, watch my video where I drive a Diablo. Yeah, that was the thing.